Are you trying to find scoped packages in the NPM registry? You're not alone. Many developers face this challenge, and today we're going to explore how to list those scoped packages effectively. I totally get it. It can be frustrating when you know scoped packages exist, but you can't seem to find a straightforward way to list them. You're definitely not the only one who has run into this issue. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user asked, is there a way to list all scoped packages under the main NPM registry? They mentioned that using the monthly JSON endpoint doesn't include scoped packages. Sound familiar? Let's dive into this. So, what's the deal with scoped packages? Scoped packages are a way to group related packages under a specific namespace, making it easier to manage them. However, finding them can be tricky if you don't know where to look. And stick around. I'll share a couple of handy tips at the end that will make managing scoped packages a breeze. To begin, the user can list all scoped packages by accessing the NPM registry directly. They can do this by using the URL format for scoped packages. For example, if the user wants to fetch all packages under the Angular scope, they can replace scope name with Angular. This will provide a list of all Angular scoped packages. If the user is looking for a specific package, they can directly access the package URL. For instance, to get details about the Angular core package, they can use the following URL. Additionally, the user can explore other scoped packages by replacing Angular in the URL with any other desired scope name. This allows them to discover various packages under different scopes. Lastly, the user should keep in mind that while the NPM registry provides a lot of information, they may need to check the documentation for any updates or changes regarding scoped packages. Fun fact, the @ symbol in scoped packages is a nod to the way namespaces work in programming. It's like giving your packages a little home to belong to. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative approach shared by another user highlights that the NPM registry added support for scoped packages in search as of April 2017. You can list packages under a specific scope by using a search query. Let's check out another perspective from a different user. An alternative approach shared by another user is to query the package metadata directly at the NPM registry. They mentioned that you can access scoped packages using the URL format for package information, but note that the latest route does not function as expected. Here's a pro tip. Always check the official NPM documentation for the latest updates on scoped packages and their management. It's a great resource. And there you have it. You now know how to list scoped packages in the NPM registry. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks. Happy coding!